and welcome to another French Fried Trains Minecraft train tutorial. Today we're going to be continuing on with our 1-to-1 scale Florida TriRail train. And we're going to be learning how to build these Hyundai Rotem bi-level coach cars here. And we're also going to learn how to modify one into a cab car for the end of the train here. Now, as you can see here, we've already worked on this 1-to-1 scale TriRail train in a previous video. We did the locomotive and we did Bombardier bi-level coach cars. So I'm just going to build on the end of this here. So if you haven't built the original 1-to-1 scale train yet, I'll have that video linked in the description. So we're going to come on the back, put a dark oak slab, and then 3 smooth quartz slabs like this. Then open a dark oak fence gate on either side of this slab here. Then in front of this in the middle, we're going to do netherite, 2 rows of 3 polished deep slate slabs, and netherite. Then behind that, right in the center, we're going to do a line of light blue concrete up the middle, and that's going to be 17 blocks long in total. Then a netherite, 2 rows of 3 polished deep slate slabs, a netherite in the center again, 3 smooth quartz slabs, a dark oak slab on the middle, and open a fence gate on either side of that. Then come on the middle of these smooth quartz slabs, put 2 black concrete. And then we're going to fill this whole middle in 2 high all the way down with black concrete here. And we'll stop above the smooth quartz stairs on this end. Then we'll put hoppers on the sides of each wheel at both ends here. Same thing over here, hoppers on the sides of these wheels and here. Then next to each inner hopper, we're going to put an upside down prismarine brick stair facing it. Same thing right here. Then we'll get this side, upside down stair here, and right here. Now we'll start doing our pattern on the side of the car. So we're going to come in front of this stair on the left hand side down here, and we're going to take out an oak log, and it needs to be going vertical. So we have to crouch and get a vertical log on this first rail block. Then we're going to do 6 light blue concrete. Same thing here. So we need a vertical oak log, and then 6 light blue concrete coming forward. Then we're going to do a calcite and a light blue. Same thing over here. We're going to do a calcite and a light blue. Then in front of that, we're going to go back to calcite and do a line of 4. Then light blue concrete and calcite. Same thing over here. 4 calcite, light blue, calcite. Then on the next layer, we're going to come to this left-hand side here. So starting on this end, we're going to do a light blue concrete, 2 calcite, then 2 light blue, then an oak leaf, and a vertical oak log. Repeat it over here, so light blue, 2 calcite, 2 light blue, leaf, and a log. Then, in front of this log here, we're going to go back to light blue concrete, and we're going to put 2 of them in a row. Then we're going to put 4 every other block, 4 single ones every other block. Repeat it on this side, so 2 and 4 single ones every other block. Then in front of this, we'll do 2 calcite, 2 on this side. Then a light blue on each side. And then right here, we need to do oak leaves on each side. Then behind that, we'll do a vertical oak log on each side. And then behind that, we'll go back to light blue concrete and do 4 of them. 4 on this side. And finally a single calcite on the end of each side here. Then we'll come down to this left-hand side on top again. And up here, we're gonna do a single light blue, skip a block calcite, skip a block calcite. Then right here, a light blue concrete, then 2 leaves, and we'll repeat it on this side. So 2 leaves, light blue, calcite here and here, light blue on the end. So we should have something looking like this. Now we're going to do a light blue and 4 calcite coming forward on each side. Then in front of this, we're going to do 6 light blue concrete. Then 6 on this side. Then up here, we're going to go oak leaf, oak log, oak leaf. Then light blue, skip 1 light blue, and a light blue on the end. Repeat the pattern over here. Just like that. Then we'll swing back down to this other end again. So we're going to come down here on top of this end, and we're going to put 3 light blue concrete across the top coming this way, and then 3 coming up each side. And actually we'll put a 4th one on each side. Then in front of that, on each side, we're going to do 4 oak leaves. Then in front of that, a single light blue. And then in front of that, we're going to go over to calcite again, and we're going to do 6 on each side. Then in front of that, a single light blue again. Then back to calcite, 3 on each side. Then back to oak leaves, 3 on each side. Then light blue concrete, 2 on each side, and 2 calcite on the end of each side, and a light blue in the middle. Then we're going to come on this center here. We need to get 1 block up on the middle, like this, and we'll just do a line of black concrete down this, till it's 1 block before the end on this side. Now, we'll come on top and start on this end again. We'll put 3 light blue on the end, and then 3 light blue with a gap of space between them. Then go to calcite, and we're going to do 6 calcite blocks every other block. Then, light blue again, skip a block, 1 light blue, skip a block, light blue to the end. Come across here with light blue, and then we're just going to copy our block pattern directly across from the other side. And then fill in that top middle on this end. Next, we're simply going to come through and fill all of these window gaps with black stained glass panes. So I get these 2 down here, get the bottom windows, and these 2. And of course, do the same thing on this side. Just fill all these windows with black stained glass pane. And get all these top windows as well. Then we're going to come on the very top in the middle and do a line of stone blocks end to end on the top middle here. Then on the outside edge of the top, a full row of outward facing stone stairs going end to end. And of course, do the same thing on this side. Full row of outward facing stone stairs going end to end up here. just like that. Now we're going to come up on the side here, on this layer under the top windows. Right here, put an acacia button, and then 3 warp buttons on either side of it to represent the lettering. Do the same process here, so an acacia button and 3 warp buttons on either side of it here. Then we're going to come down on the end. Right here, put 2 temporary blocks. Close 2 dark oak trapdoors on the side, 1 on top, 2 on this side. Then we can take out the temporary blocks, and in here we need to get an iron door. So we'll have to open this one, put an iron door on here, and then you can close it. And we repeat the process down here. So 2 temporary blocks, close 2 trapdoors on the side of it, 1 on top, 2 on this side, take out the temporary blocks, open this, get an iron door here, close the trapdoor. And that completes the build on the single car here. What we need to do next is use the structure command to copy in, or just build as many of these cars as you want on your train here. And I've just added a few on. And now we're going to come to the very back and learn how to modify this one into the cab car. So we're going to come on the back here, and the first thing we're going to do is take off all these trap doors and this iron door. Then we're going to come up top, and we're going to knock out the first 3 rows of stone up here. Then on the next layer down, we're going to knock out these 2 rows. Then a single row on the next layer down. Then change these 2 bottom black concrete to light blue, so it makes a T-shape. Then 3 prismarine brick stairs here, 1 on each side up here, and a black glass in the middle. Up here we're going to knock out 2 more rows of this stone. We're going to put 3 polished blackstone blocks in the middle, and 3 polished blackstone stairs on either side of it. Then come on the front here, and we're going to take out glow item frames, and we're going to put 3 of them in a pattern like this with frog lights. On this center we're going to do a sign with 517. Then we'll hit that with a glow ink sac. Then come under here, and we need to knock out these 3 slabs on the bottom, and we're going to replace them with backward facing polished deep slate stairs. Then we're actually going to change this block to a stair so it wraps around and looks better. Then a white stained glass pane on the side here and here for rear view mirrors. And this completes the conversion into the cab car here. Now I just realized in the edit here, I forgot all the side doors that are supposed to be on the bottom of these cars. So we're back in to make those. So we're going to take out a loom, come into it with a black banner, light blue dye. Put a vertical in the center, then a border on, and then make the bottom half light blue. And this will be our doors. So we're going to come on the bottom here, 1 goes here, and then 1 goes here. And of course we're going to repeat it on this side. 1 goes here, 1 here, and then I have to get all these other cars. Normally I would have put these on before I copied them, but I forgot about it. So I'm just coming through and getting the doors on all the cars we built today. And then of course we'll finish off the doors on the other side of these cars. Just like that. So there we have it, folks. We've completed our Florida TriRail 1-to-1 scale Hyundai Rotem cab car and bi-level coach cars. I hope you enjoyed the build here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And everyone, have a great week. Stay safe out there, rail fans.